Nice, good landing. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, look at that smile. Look at that birthday smile. Oh yeah, we got the new Losi Tenacity TT Pro Falcon Edition at the track. I don't think the Lavalette guys are gonna mind too much. It looks like Mother Nature has had a little fun with this.
It is so muddy today.
Getting a little tore up. We are gonna sling some mud. Just go crazy with Abby's new birthday present. One of her birthday presents, the main one, of course. We're running on a fully charged 3S battery today, 4-wheel drive, got the light bar up. This is the last time you're gonna see this thing looking so good.
Bye-bye.
Abby and I are gonna have to use like 20 baby wipes at the end of this video just to clean it up so we can get it home in the car. It's really cold, but we're gonna have some fun. It's not so cold that the ground is frozen, so that should help the impact of the big air that we're gonna get today. This was like the 3rd or 4th fastest RC we've ever had on our channel stock, right out of the box. And it's gonna hit those speeds of in the 50s, as long as we can get it up to those speeds in the ramps today, which means big air. This thing acts like a parachute on here, so I'm expecting to put some wings on this when we're done. Abby, this is yours. So you are gonna drive it until you say I'm allowed to drive it.
I'll share today. You're way better at ramping and stuff than I am, so
this is gonna be
I'll
fun.
share.
Somehow, some tables got moved on the
Yeah,
course.
we got some work to do before we can run.
This should be fun. Before we hit the track, we had to show you guys, I don't know why it's so, I think it must have flooded here and the mud is dried up, but look at this. Look at that dirt kicking up on the grass. That's really cool. Look at that. Oh, your tire ballooned and you were turning. There you go. All right, you ready to break some parts on the track?
No.
Ka-chunga! Abby said, I'd rather just drive it right here than on the track. I don't want to break anything. Nice. It just looks cool. That is the coolest thing I've seen on grass ever. Kicking it up. I know. The AVC didn't like the loose grass. It was like floating on it. So
the AVC was kicking in like crazy.
yeah, just like, I think it was like Jello.
Yeah, it was
you know?
wild looking.
So this is really muddy, you guys. We're gonna try our best just to bash it around the course and get a little bit of air. It is crazy muddy. Look at that. Oh, that looks so good on the track. This was made to be here. All right, we got the table moved. Abby's getting lined up for the ramp. I'm guessing you're gonna wanna hit that almost full speed. Oh man, hit those brakes, you almost made it. Oh, that stupid table's in the way. I'll stand closer. That was a good ramp. You really almost had it. Yeah, Abby's new boots.
I knew you. This is terrible. Should have known better. Oh my gosh.
Nice, that was so smooth. All right, I know I'm gonna be in your way here, but. Oh, that was amazing. That was amazing. Good job. You landed it perfectly.
This is like ooey gooey pasty mud.
It is. It is like you could make mud men out of this.
You could make snowmen.
Yeah.
Mud man, snowman.
All right, Abby, get it perfected. Here you go. Oh yeah! Mud everywhere. Oh my gosh. Sloshy, wet, soupy mud. Oh, this poor truck.
You can hear it like the sticky suction sound. It's really gross. It sounds so
I know. Here we go. Oh, you almost had it perfect. Wow, Abby. Wow. The light bar is looking good. This is the muddiest we've ever been bashing in. I know it. Oh my gosh.
Look at my boots.
Mud is just caking on. Yeah.
I told you it was sticky.
Super muddy, super sloshy. Okay, those were amazing slow motion shots. Abby, give us one more good one here, then you'll make it around the track.
I love that it looks like there's a light out on the car, but it's a mud.
Well, after you do this ramp, get a really close shot for him, okay? One more good ramp. Wow! Oh, that was perfect. Amazing. Get over here. I want to show him. You did clean it off. That is, come here. Get it up here. You're right up on top of this hill. I want to show everyone the mud just dripping and oozing off of this. Guys, it is literally oozing and dripping mud. Wow. Yeah, okay. What you need to do, because neither of us want to go over in this. Yeah.
Oh, it's so gross.
Here, listen. Shh. It sounds like you're peeling tape off of.
It sounds really gross.
So just try not to wreck. Go slow. No one's going to judge you for going slow because we don't want to have to go recover it over there. And then get over to the big ramp. Yeah, let's go. Okay, we made it over into position. Abby, just work it around the track. No judgment for going slow. This is some serious swampy mud.
Oh man.
Here you go for it. Just nice and slow. Get around those cones. I don't know. Nicely done.
Slow precision. Oh.
If this was a dry day, this thing would look so sweet bashing around this course like crazy. Now here it comes. This is big air time. Oh!
Okay.
You got to time that a little better.
Yeah. We need a little more speed.
You know the one thing No, it's good. You got to clear it. You got to clear it. The one thing I think this truck is missing are mud flaps on the back. I'd like to add some mud flaps to this one. You got this, Abby. Nice, good landing. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, look at that smile. Look at that birthday smile. That was so good. This truck was made for this. All right, moving the big stick off the course. That is so random. I think it flooded down here. I think water picked all this up.
We had some flooding last week, so I guarantee you it was pretty wet.
I mean, there's a table down there. I think these tables were floating. I really do.
I don't know.
That is crazy.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Oh, no way! That's the first backflip we've ever done here. Oh, but if you did, that was perfect. Listen. Now listen, when you run a brushless motor like that at low end,
I know. The back looked like.
I think it's just kind of like grogged down from the mud. I think you're okay.
I can't believe it did that in the mud. If it wasn't muddy, it probably could almost do a double.
I don't know. That was like a perfect single backflip. Are you doing it again?
Yeah. I'm gonna break something.
Hold on.
So soft today. I haven't broken it.
Yeah, the soft mud is nice, isn't it? Yeah. What'd you guys think of those slow-mo shots? All Abby. All Abby. You gonna do one more in real time? Oh, you barely made it.
Much air on that one.
You committed though, didn't you?
I did. Ah, bummer. On that note, Nate, I'm gonna let you have some fun.
Oh, nice.
You are the ramp master.
No,
most of the
you
time.
did a good job.
Really good. I love short course trucks, so they're pretty stable for the most part.
Yeah.
Not as stable as like the Creighton, but I love short course trucks way more than that, like
monster
rock
truck,
racer, buggy.
Yeah, you don't like buggies as much.
Yeah, like our Losi. Okay, Nate, it's your turn.
All right.
Do you want your gloves?
No, I'm good. No,
Are you happy?
You're doing great. Is that what you mean?
No, I just mean, are you happy that you're at the controls?
Yeah, of course. I like seeing the tracks. Like everywhere it runs,
yeah.
It's so wet, it's leaving tracks.
Someone should like propose to their girlfriend in muddy RC tracks. That would be fun.
Cool.
Proposal idea.
So fast. I like it.
You gonna do it?
I don't know if I want to start with a front flip. I want to start with the ramps because that's why we come here. Let's see. Maybe I should.
Oh, ouch!
Nope. Abby the ramp master today.
Oh, for my birthday, I ask that you clean this.
This is your birthday.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think for my extra birthday, you clean
We're
it
each
for
gonna
me.
have to clean one. We've got more coming this week. You ready?
Yeah. Nice.
That was sweet.
I think the mud is bogging it down because it's like
is.
slowly not getting as much
Yep.
air as what it was.
It totally is.
It's like so caked in mud on the inside, guys, like completely covered. It's supposed to be white on the inside of the body and it's not.
I wanted to try to get like a normal ramp, but you're right.
It's bogging it down
It is
bad.
bogged down with all this mud.
Yeah.
Wow. But look at that. I can still
You
pop a
did
wheelie.
pop it, yeah. It needs like, I bet you'll have fun on this ramp.
Well,
You need to go to that
let's
ramp.
go to it right now.
Oh,
Abby,
I think this ramp is also getting worn out too. It's pretty rough back here on this side. Look at that. It's pretty rough. All right, you go to this ramp. I think you'll have a lot of fun. Look at that. Don't hit the yellow. You hit it. I follow his footprints. All right, let's see how much better you do on these.
I don't know if I'll do any better. It's caked down.
It was kicked down.
Oh, that was
Nice.
rough.
Here, clean it off in the puddle.
I'm going to.
Look at that. There, it's a brand new truck.
Yeah, didn't work very well, did it?
No.
Let's hit one more ramp. I feel bad for this little thing. We're being pretty brutal on it today.
Whoa.
Oh man, oh that's a bad spot to go recover it.
Did you see the mud just like plop? Oh jeez. Look at the tire. The front left tire.
Yeah,
Ew.
it's rough. Oh.
Don't fall.
I thought it was going down.
Oh my gosh. Don't get me muddy. One more for good measure.
I don't even want to take the other truck through this. We got one more coming. Yeah, one more. This is it.
It hit me! You hit my boot! Look!
We've got one more that we're going to bash here.
I don't want to bash it here because
I
I'm
don't
going to
either.
get disgusting.
Opportunity to get even.
Oh my
yeah, we
gosh.
need a hose just to blast this down.
Where's our, we need some plastic
we've
bags.
Gotta run it through. It's so muddy. I'm not touching it until we get it ran through the grass a little bit. Clean it off some.
It's just going to cake grass onto it.
Yeah.
We're like making mud pies here.
This is amazing. What do you guys think? Look at that. Beautiful. It used to be blue and green.
Oh my gosh.
This is the perfect truck to take around a course like this. Granted, I wouldn't recommend running it in as much mud as we did. We came here without knowing that it'd be this muddy. We knew it flooded in the area, but I didn't think that, I literally do think this was submerged and tables were floating down here. I mean,
Yeah,
these
there's no
tables-
way because if it did, I feel like more.
This table was floating.
You
I
think?
I think so.
And then the ramps wouldn't get.
No, I mean if it was like crazy running
I don't
water,
know.
yes, but if it was stagnant, no.
I doubt
because-
it got that high,
I don't know.
but it probably got pretty high.
Yeah.
It's wild.
Guys, this truck is amazing. We have to clean it up, but other than that, it is awesome. Absolutely awesome. If you want just the cream of the crop, one of the best ready to run short course / stadium trucks you can
Trophy
get.
truck.
Trophy truck. Then this is a giant 2 thumbs up from us. I think Abby did a great job
Thank
picking
you.
a birthday present. Very nice pick. Love that Falcon scheme too. It'll look great when we get the mud off of there. Guys, all the good stuff will be linked in the description box below. Before you go, I want to say a huge thanks to all these names scrolling by. They are the reason we're able to bring this awesome content to you. From $1 support or higher, we cannot thank you guys enough. Also, before you click away, we've got one video to pop up right here, maybe the speed test of this Falcon, just in case you missed that. Totally check it out. We'll see you in that video.